we'll guide you through how to improve skills for Claude AI. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once you're there, log into your account. Once logged in, you'll want to explore the skills library. This is where you'll find a variety of modules designed to enhance Claude's capabilities. You can browse through different categories to find skills that are relevant to your needs. When you find a skill that you want to add, click on it to learn more about what it can do. If it looks like a good fit, you can go ahead and click the Install button. After installation, it's important to configure the skill to suit your specific requirements. Each skill will have its own set of parameters that you can adjust. This might include setting up any necessary integrations or customizing outputs. Make sure to save your settings before closing the configuration window. It's also helpful to test the skill with a few queries to see how it performs. Use real-world scenarios to ensure it meets your expectations. If you encounter any issues, you can revisit the configuration settings or consult the support documentation available on the website. Additionally, you can enhance Claude's performance by regularly updating the skills. Check back often for any updates that might optimize functionality. Staying current with updates ensures Claude AI remains efficient and effective in delivering the results you need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.